Okay, welcome to lesson 2102 or 102 of algebraic concepts, parallel lines. Here's our objective, our notes, rules. Please take the time to read through these things. So here is an example of parallel lines. Parallel lines have the same slope and different y-intercepts, which means that, so the slope, the change in y, divided by the change in x is the same. The change in y divided by the change in x is the same for both lines. And they will never, ever, ever cross each other in the same plane. Okay, find the slope and the y-intercepts of each line and write an equation for each line. So here we have our b's. Now, all we have to do is find where the line goes through the corner of a box, which looks like right here and right there. So we go up 2 and over 3. So y1 of the first line of the line I actually drew on is 2/3 x plus 2. So now let's look at y2, the second line. Goes through the corner of the box there and there. You see the change is 2, and the change is 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2 goes through -1. So y2 equals 2/3 x minus 1. So the slope, the number in front of x is the same, but the intercept is different. Write the equation of a line with an intercept of -2 that is parallel to the line y equals -5x plus 3. So the slope is the same, so we just write y equals -5x minus 2. Y equals -5x plus 3. Same slope, different intercept. That's parallel lines. Write an equation of a line parallel to the graph of y equals 1/3 x plus 2. So here's our line, and passing through the point 3, 2. So since the slope is the same, we have our slope is 1/3, our point is 3, 2. Now we take our point slope form of a line, because we have a point and a slope. Y minus 2 equals 1/3 x minus 1. Add 2 to both sides. Y equals 1/3 x plus 1. Same slope, different intercept. Are the graphs of these two equations parallel? So y equals 2x minus 1. 5y minus 10x equals -5. Well, how do we know? The first thing we got to do is add 10x to both sides. So 5y equals 10x minus 5. Divide everything by 5. Y equals 2x minus 1. Oh, look. They are not parallel. They are the same line. So be careful with parallel lines. You would naturally think that they would be parallel after seeing 2x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 1, but they're the same line. They're not parallel. To have parallel lines, you need two different lines. You got the same intercept here. So those were our 4 examples. So what I want you to do now is try to do the problems on the next upcoming slides. You're probably going to have to write it down, rewind the video back, and play it a couple of times to see if you can figure out what to do. And I will meet you at the end of the video for a recap.